the magic compass of Azerbaijan. In the heart of Baku's ancient old city, where narrow cobblestone streets whispered tales of the past, lived a curious girl named Arzu and her adventurous brother, Kanan. One rainy afternoon, while exploring their grandmother's attic, they found a dusty wooden box. Inside the box, nestled on a bed of faded velvet, was a brass compass. But this was no ordinary compass. Instead of north, south, east, and west, its needle spun wildly before pointing to a glowing symbol of a flame. "What does it mean?" Arzu whispered. Kanan recognized the symbol. "It's the land of fire," he exclaimed. As he touched the compass, the attic faded away, and a warm wind swirled around them. They were standing on a hillside at dusk, watching natural flames dance eternally from the earth that Yanar dug. The compass needle spun again, this time settling on a carving of a tiny human figure. Instantly, the fiery hill dissolved, and they found themselves in a vast, rocky landscape under a bright sun. "We're in Gobustan," Arzu gasped, pointing to ancient petroglyphs carved into the giant stones around them. Kanan ran his fingers over a carving of a longboat. "Imagine the people who lived here thousands of years ago," he said, his voice full of awe. The compass in Arzu's hand hummed, and the needle flickered, pointing now to a symbol of a grand palace. In a blink, the rocky plains were replaced by the magnificent courtyard of the palace of the Shirvanshahs back in Baku. They wandered through ornate archways and gazed up at intricate stonework, feeling like royalty from a forgotten time. Next, the compass whisked them away from the city to a place of serene beauty. They stood on the shore of Lake Goigol, a breathtaking mountain lake. Its water was so clear and blue, it looked like a piece of the sky had fallen to earth. From the calm lake, the compass sent them to the bustling city of Sheki. The air was sweet with the smell of halva. They marveled at the palace of Shaki Khans, its windows a dazzling mosaic of thousands of pieces of colored glass, known as shebeke. For their final journey, the compass needle pointed to a symbol of a beautiful woman. They found themselves back in Baku, standing before the legendary Maiden Tower. "Grandma used to tell us stories about this tower," Kanan said softly, looking up at its ancient, mysterious walls. As the sun set over the Caspian Sea, the compass gave a final, gentle glow and went still. Arzu and Kanan were back in the attic, the magical compass resting in its box. They hadn't left their home, but they had traveled all across Azerbaijan, their hearts full of the wonders of their beautiful country.